Are you tired of your current Apple ID and want to change it? Follow these simple steps to change your Apple ID. First, sign out of your Apple ID on all devices and services such as iCloud and iTunes. Next, go to the Apple ID website by clicking the link to the left or typing appli.apple.com in the search field of any internet-connected web browser. Enter your current Apple ID and password in the labeled fields, then click on the arrow. On the right side of the screen under the Account section, click on the blue link that says Edit. From there, click on the option to change email address next to your current email address under the Apple ID section at the top of the window. Now, enter a new email address that is neither already associated with an Apple ID nor likely to change soon. Click on the Next button. Apple will send an email with a verification code to your new email address. Check your email and look for the message sent by Apple. Enter the verification code in the spaces that appear in the browser window. Lastly, sign in with your new Apple ID, and you can now sign back into your devices and Apple services with your new Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.